Hey everybody, hi, welcome. So happy you're here. If you are returning, thank you so much for all of your amazing support. If you're new, I'm Laura. This is Wyatt. This is Zena, who's doing much better after her surgery. She's got some major spunk back. And we do subscription box unboxings, shopping hauls, outfit of the day, and so much more. For today, I have my winter Just Deco box to share with you. So this looks like it's going to have at least one interesting piece just by the size of this box, right? So I'm excited to see what's in here. Just Deco is a home decor seasonal subscription box, $59.99 a season. Of course, I have a code for you. I'll share at the end in case you're interested in checking this box out. It was founded by a single mom of 3. She was a New Jersey native. She's an ex-Army vet. Her name is Melissa, and this is a passion of hers. So always fun to support another woman, small business. So I'm excited to dig into this one and check out the fun items. We're just going to do that right now. Let me tear into this box. She has other boxes. Just Deco has other boxes available as well if you're looking for gift ideas. They have a deluxe holiday box, but I think it might be sold out. But they did have a deluxe holiday box. They have a Valentine's decor lover box. That one is $69.99. I think the holiday box was as well. They have this one really taped up here. They also have a Galentine's Day box, also $69.99. So right after we get over the holiday hump here, it'll be Valentine's Day, right? Those are just a couple others in case you're looking for some fun gift ideas. Okay, so the value of this box is typically around $140 for the $59.99 subscription price. And you get 4 to 5 home decor accent pieces. So let's check this out. Here's what I see when I open it. They have it all packaged up nicely. All right, so you do get a little pamphlet that tells you about it. I'm going to kind of hide what the items are, but it'll tell you what the key colors are. It tells you what the Just Deco, and that it's for winter. And this looks pretty good. All right, let's see. We're going to start with the first item I see, which is a wreath. I always love a wreath, especially ones like this that you can fit over a candle. You can decor, add decor, put it on a door, put it over a doorknob, kind of just decorate the house, but you can use it kind of fall, winter, and beyond, right? So this is a really nice little wreath. It says that this faux Juniper Wreath is here to celebrate the season and add cheer to your home. You can hang it from a mirror and dress it up with hollies, then update this for the spring with sprigs of lavender. This verdant wreath is great all year round. Well, there you go. Here's the back of it. So easy to hang. That's really pretty. I like the size. So about the size of my head, just to try to give you a sense of the size. It's got a lot of greenery on it too, which I really like. So, you know, that's really nice. And you can kind of spread this out if you want, leave it more bunched together. So that's the first item. What do you think, Wyatt? You want to wear that? What do you think? Okay. Next up, it looks like I have some fun little wrapped up items here. Oh, these are like wooden houses. Check that out. Little wooden houses. You could probably do either side. How cute is that? This is called The Village. How cute is this? And there's another one. I like that, like one side is the black and the other side is the wood. You could do either side depending on what look you were going for. So it'd be really pretty by a fireplace, on a mantle. That is cute. It says this set of 3 mango wood houses adds a contemporary feel to your holiday festivities. Mix and match with your existing collection or display alone to add a touch of elegance to your mantle. You can't go wrong with this eclectic beauty. Very nice. All right, what is this? Wyatt's gonna want to play with these houses here. Let's have him check them out and see what he thinks. What do you think, Wyatt? You guys probably can't even see him behind there. Can you see him? There he is. He likes the houses. All right, this is the next item. What is this? Oh, this is cute. How adorable is this? Love, right? You can put a little candle in here. You can put greenery in here. So many things. That is adorable. Love the little gold collar, the antlers. Love it. Little reindeer, right? So this is the Reindeer Planter with Style and Grace. This Reindeer Planter is here to, why? Don't eat the wood, honey. Okay. Add festive touch to your home. So it's here to add a festive touch to your home this season. Add some brush trees and keep it simple, or spruce it up and add evergreen foliage to keep it traditional. This ceramic beauty is sure to give Rudolph a run for his money. I like that. That's pretty. They did a good job with this collection. I'm liking it. I'm liking the winter collection, Wyatt. What do you think? Okay. Oh, check this out. Oh, I love beads. And that's what this looks like to me. Let's see if we can get it out. Check these out. The beads always add such a nice touch. You can wrap them around the wreath. You can just add them as decor to just about anything. I love the beads. These are called the garland, made from Paulownia wood. The 72-inch garland will bring a cozy hue into your festive home. So pretty, right? Even just, you could add them just around the wreath if you wanted to. Of course, I'm not going to spend the time to do this, but just to show you what I meant. Like you could do something like this and then have them hang around at the bottom. Like this, and then just have them hang at the bottom, and you could do the other side. Like, how pretty is that? I'm doing it quickly, but it's like such an easy, quick win, quick decor. There's always so much you can do with the beads like this. Right now I have to finish it because I've already done all this, right? See what I mean? I think that looks cute. Do one more. I could probably do it a little bit nicer. I did it too fast, but I think that looks really pretty. All right, and there's one more thing in here, which is the final piece. Check this out. I love this little tray. How pretty. So it has a nice little wood finish. It's in that little bit of a gray color. Has just the metal handles on it. And this one is called the tray. Dress this blank slate up with holiday goodies and then switch it up after the season to keep your space stylish and organized. No matter your style, this rustic wooden tray is sure to fit right in and add warmth to your space. That is really pretty. You could use it as a serving tray for the holidays, but you could definitely use it for decor, right? So even like putting these little houses on it. The little reindeer. Wyatt now likes the beads. Wyatt, don't eat the beads. No, don't eat the beads. Yeah. Wyatt. So Wyatt likes this collection, so he thinks it's a winner. I think everything looks really pretty. I like it. Here's all the pieces. Not bad. Totally gets you in the holiday mood, but many of these pieces you could definitely transition. I think this is the most holiday-like. The rest of the pieces you could pretty much incorporate all year around, right? So loving the wreath. Love the beads. The houses are just really great. And you could basically take those from season to season based on how you decorate with them. And the tray is always useful. That's everything. Let me know what you think. So if you would like to give this seasonal subscription a try, I do have a discount for you. You can get 15% off if you use my code, which is littleboxo. And I'll put all that information down below, but you would get 15% off your first box. And the boxes ship March, June, September, and December, just so you know what that schedule looks like. So I can't wait to hear what you thought. Please do comment down below on what you thought of the Just Deco winter box. I liked it. I'm already trying to figure out how I want to decorate with these. I haven't had a lot of time yet to truly decorate, so these will be some fun pieces to put out now as I really get into the Christmas mood. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Love you. Hang out and hit that subscribe. I'll put all the information for Just Deco down below in case you would like to check it out for yourself. This would also make a great gift. Till next time, everybody. Bye-bye.